petitioner, the husband, left the matrimonial home in October 2022. November, my lord, he had visitation, interim custody of the children, there was no problem. Thereafter, abruptly, the mother stopped him from... He loves his father also equally loves him. Fee I'm paying, my lord, children's fee I'm paying 12 lakhs per annum. 7 lakhs for the son, 4 lakhs for the daughter. I've been paying from day one, there's no dispute about that. 1,35,000 rupees per month rent for the respondent.
First day of the visitation, my lord, he comes to the the park along with his father. Both of them misbehave. My lord, in fact, police come there, record his attitude, my lord. Till today, no maintenance.
What is the difficulty of the mother to give the custody to the father?
Lord, he is aggressive. He is not paid a single rupee maintenance. He is saying
It's all about the money now.
4 crores has been withdrawn from a joint account of the parties. My lord, worked abroad for many number of years. 4 crores is withdrawn. The 4 crores is with her. Notwithstanding, my lord, children, I will pay maintenance. I will pay maintenance. My lord, the father has not seen his children for more than a year and a half now.
this is a luxury litigation, my lord.
Sir,
IAs are already pending before the court, family court.
I
It is
appear for
reserved for
petitioner.
orders on 1710. Now they come before this court to stop the court from passing.
Yes, what is the order impugn?
Lord,
No order.
my application for visitation is pending before the family court, which has not been considered, and that's why I'm before your lordship.
When did you file the application?
No, the application was filed along with the petition, my lord, on 16th of November 2022. May I state a few facts, my lord, for your lordship's kind consideration?
Hmm.
Lord, date of marriage between the parties is on 8th of July 2011. There are 2 children, my lord. Son is born on 4th of November 2014, almost 10 years old. He is 9 years and 8 months old. Daughter is born on 2nd of September 2019. She is about 5 years old. So 2020, the couple lived first in the US, then moved to Switzerland, came back to India in 2021, relocated to Bangalore in 2022. So, not as usual, some disturbance between the husband and the wife. The petitioner, the husband, left the matrimonial home in October 2022. November, my lord, he had visitation, interim custody of the children, there was no problem. Thereafter, abruptly, the mother stopped him from visiting the children. Therefore, he was constrained to file a petition for custody. So that petition, my lord, is GNWC 341 of 2022, pending before the family court. Lord, on 22nd of December 2022, the family court passes an order permitting the father to visit both the children in a park, not on 24th, 25th, and 26th of December during their winter vacation. The first day the father goes to the park to see the children, my lord, the mother files a criminal complaint against him, registered in crime number 403 of 2022 against him and his father, which the grandfather would also gone along with the father. But that criminal case is pending. On 18/3/2023, on IA number 8, my lord, the family court talks to the son, who was at that point in time 8 years old. May I invite your lordship's attention, my lord, to what the child says before the court at page number 131.
2023. 18/3?
18th of March 2023. Page 131, if your lordship will kindly have one.
Yes.
Lord, both the parties and their counsel are present with the children. They spent nearly 1 hour in the child visitation room. Conciliation held in camera from 4 to 4:15 p.m. I have interacted with the child. His name is Zaryan, 8 years old, studying in 2nd standard at New Academy, Bangalore. He identifies his mother. Her name is Shonezi. He also identifies his father as Anurag Tyagi. He says he's comfortable and happy with his mother. He has holidays from 20th of March to 25th of March. He says he plans to meet his best friend. He loves his father. His father also equally loves him. It is submitted that the age of the girl child is 3 years. In view of the submission of both the parties and in the best interest of the child and the parties to the proceeding, I proceed to pass the following. IA number 8 filed by the petitioner is hereby partly allowed. Petitioner has granted visitation rights of his son from morning 10 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. on 23rd and 24th. My lord, his son had spring break. It is submitted by the respondent that if the petitioner meets the child in the clubhouse of her building, she has no problem. But as per petitioner, it is not safe to go either to the park or clubhouse because on the previous occasion, quarrel took place and respondent lodged a complaint against him. Therefore, in the interest of justice and equity, the petitioner can pick up the child by name Zaryan from the house of the respondent, take the child to his house, spend quality time, safely drop the child to the house of the respondent as per above order by taking assistance of security guard. Both the parties are directed not to disturb peace of the mind of the child and create any scene. My lord, this order is not complied with. She files a writ petition, my lord. That writ petition comes up for consideration much later. On 25th of October 2023, she withdraws the writ petition.
No, please see the order.
But sir, can you allow me to make my submission?
Hmm.
With a request to the court, my lord, to direct the family court to dispose of the matter. Annexure H is the order. I'm sorry, my lord, Annexure H.
Page 118.
Sorry, thank you. Page 118. Now, though the prayers sought are with regard to wanting interference with the order dated 18.3, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner would restrict his submission at this juncture to a direction to the family court to dispose of the main petition within a time frame, since the parents are warring and the impact is on the child or the children. Therefore, though the matters of 2022 deem it appropriate. So far as the order is concerned, they did not press the writ petition, my lord. That order remained uncomplied with. And this order was passed, my lord, in October, on 25th of October 2023. Thereafter, my lord, on 21/4/2023, the family court passes an order 3 to 4 p.m. every Saturday, Sunday, video calls the father should have with the children. This is at page 135.
Yes.
Lord, on the right-hand side, fee I'm paying, Lord, children's fee I'm paying 12 lakhs per annum, 7 lakhs for the son, 4 lakhs for the daughter. I've been paying from day one. There's no dispute about that. Petitioner prays for contact rights. Other side has no objections. Not page 135.
Yes.
Petitioner is permitted to talk with the children through video call every Saturday and Sunday evening, 3 to 4 p.m. Respondent is directed to cooperate for compliance with this order. Lord, this order remains uncomplied, not complied to date. Lord, 21/4/20 on 1/7/2023, my lord, another order is passed granting interim custody of the children from 3rd of July to 7th of July. That order, your lordships will find at page 137. In page 137.
Yes.
IA 11 filed by the petitioner father is hereby partly allowed. Petitioner is entitled for interim custody of the minor children, Zaryan and Parizara, for 4 days from 3/7 to 6/7. He can pick up the children on 3/7 at 10 a.m. from the residence of the respondent and shall drop the children at the residence of the respondent at 10 a.m. on 7/7. My lord, next page. The family court notes the violations and then says, both the parties should not disturb the peace of mind of the children. It is needless to say that the respondent is directed to cooperate for compliance of this order by handing over custody of the children to the petitioner as per the order. Now, this order is also brought before this honorable court in challenge in writ petition. My lord, 14320. The order, my lord, sorry, the interim order there is passed on 24/7. After 3/7 to 7/7 is over, on 24/7/2023 at Annexure J, my lord, page 121. Not to precipitate. Not page 121. Till next date of hearing, no precipitatory action shall be taken pursuant to the impugned order. The impugned order has spent itself by then. Page 121. The order is passed on
You had
20.
the custody.
I did not have my custody was from 3/7 to 7/7. Not complied with. She challenges it in a writ petition. On 24/7, this honorable court passes an order. Till next date of hearing, no precipitatory action shall be taken pursuant to the impugned order. However, the petitioner shall permit the respondent to speak to or interact with the child through audio or video calls at all reasonable times. The respondent husband is under the gaze and supervision of this court for the alleged misconduct. We do not know what submission was made before the court about the father. He is under the gaze of the court. This order also remains not uncomplied. Even the interim order of this honorable court directing
Who filed the JNWC?
father's petition. That's pending. So to date, every single order passed by the family court and by this honorable court is being violated. Even the video calls, as ordered by the interim order, is not being complied with. My lord, I am paying 7.5 lakhs fee for my son per annum, 4 lakhs school fee of my daughter, 1,35,000 rupees per month rent for the respondent. And for 1.5 years, my lord, I have not seen my children's faces.
We'll ask the same.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, my lord, my friend is right, my lord, that on 24th of December 2022, my lord, there was a complaint filed by him against him, my lord, where charge sheet is filed, my lord. What happened was, on the first day of the visitation, my lord, he comes to the the park along with his father. Both of them misbehave. My lord, in fact, police come there, record his attitude, my lord, and they themselves call the mother to the police station. My lord, the complaint is lodged, my lord. Though there, my lord, charge sheet is filed against both the father and, my lord, the grandfather of the children. Now, my lord, from February to July 23, my lord, your lordship may note, my lord, the mother has allowed, my lord, the father to meet, to attend all the school meetings and meet the children every weekend, my lord. Now, what happened after July, my lord, is this. In June 2023, he gets a, my lord, eviction suit filed against the, my lord, the mother and the children who are living in the house through the landlord. In that, he files, my lord, written statement conceding for the eviction, and they are thrown out, my lord. Lord, then the lady, my lord, she with great difficulty, she finds another house. Lord, thereafter, my lord, the family court, my lord, has, I'm sorry, the DV court. DV court, my lord, has, my lord, time and again, my lord, issued warrant against him to come and pay the, my lord, the rents. Thereafter, he has paid, for the first time, he has paid the rent, my lord. That is last weekend only. Last week only he has paid. Till today, no maintenance. Lord, my maintenance petition was filed on 9/8/2023. My lord, that remains pending, my lord. He doesn't permit an order to be passed. And my lord, your lordship may kindly come back to that order, my lord, at page 121, my lord.
Yes.
I'm sorry, not 121, 119, my lord.
Yes.
Lord, this honorable court, my lord, passed a direction, my lord. A direction to the concerned court to dispose of the main petition in so and so within a time frame, since the parents are warring. Therefore, though the matter is of 2022, I deem it appropriate to direct the concerned court to dispose of the petition in JNWC 341 of 22 within 6 months, my lord. Now, my lord, what happens, my lord? This is of 25/10 order. On 27/10 onwards, my lord, he starts filing application after application. All the applications now are heard and kept, my lord, on 17/10/2023 for, my lord, orders. They are all 17th August, sorry. 17th August for, my lord, orders. Now they come here, my lord. What is the impugned order here? Nothing, my lord. My lord, by now the 6 months time would have been over if they had, my lord, if they had permitted the court to, my lord, pass orders, final orders. They don't allow, me.
What is this, even if the order is passed by the court, if this is the conduct of the mother that she's not permitting.
No, she has permitted. That's what we are saying, my lord. She has permitted.
Was given by the court. What did she do with that?
My lord, she challenged the 2 orders where, my lord, the exclusive custody was given, my lord.
No, that order is passed after the date of custody given
Lord,
to the
writ
father.
petition was filed, writ petition was moved before this honorable court, my lord, thereafter
So
interim
what is
order.
the difficulty of
No.
the mother to give the custody to the father?
My lord, he is aggressive, he is, my lord, he has not paid a single rupee maintenance, he is saying,
It's all about the money now.
it's not money, my lord, I'm not saying about, kindly see the kind of things that he has done.
But it is like this, neither the mother nor the father have.
No, my lord, I am making, my lord, a statement at the bar, my lord, and with instruction, my lord, she is not opposed to, my lord, the father meeting the children, my lord. She is not opposed.
Let her tell Boba from the order so-called now he has referred
Yes, my lord.
till now.
Yes,
How many times the kids have met the
Lord, the
father?
kids have met, my lord. Lord, he has himself produced, my lord, photographs. Kindly see those photographs.
No, let you please.
Yes,
ask
please.
her to tell.
155, 156, 157. It's the last time I saw my children.
Not they can produce photographs of.
I do not know, Your Lord. She has had her say. It's quite apparent. Your lordships have been seeing this for the past 4 months. Supreme Court says what parental alienation is. If this is not parental alienation, there is no other parental alienation.
What kind of father, my lord, gets his children evicted from the house, my lord? He got them evicted from the house.
Your lordship may record my submission. I'm making the statement.
There was a warrant issued, my lord, for him to come and pay the rent.
Let us see
Because
permit me to make my submission. School fee, my lord, will be paid without any default. Rent, my lord, I will pay without any default unless.
So then, rent you will pay, but
Yes.
what did you do?
No, that.
That, what
Kindly
was
see
that
page one.
eviction?
Sorry, my lord.
What is that eviction?
No,
What is this kind of?
I'm on record. No, I'm on record only in this petition. I'm not appearing in the family court or any other court. I'm not aware of those facts. I'm not aware. If
This
it,
is
my
also
lord,
not
if it
the
has happened, my lord, if it has
contact of
happened,
your client.
my lord, if it has happened, my lord, I will tender an apology on my client's behalf. I'll make him file an affidavit before the court rendering an apology. My lord, whatever he has done, my lord, the dispute between the husband and the wife. The children, my lord, the son goes before the court and says, I love my father. That child is being denied the company of the father for the last 1.5 years. She has an axe to grind against him, my lord. Let us assume what she's saying is true. There is violence. He has. But that cannot affect the relationship of the father.
Lord, may I say something? In his favor. Lord, if he wants to meet the son, my lord, I don't have any objection, my lord. The son is taken every day for an extracurricular activity between 4 and 5 p.m., my lord, every day, from Monday to Friday. Let him take.
Yes.
But may I place on record my certain decision of the Honorable Supreme Court? What kind of
No,
visitation?
I mean, there's
what
no
kind of,
dispute about
no,
that.
what kind of visitation should be
That we
given?
will see, that
Yes.
we will see. No, they're coming up with
Yes.
the submission of the senior counsel that every day 4 to 5 o'clock he's being taken to a extracurricular activity. Every day you accompany him.
Not accompany. I sit with him. I'll watch the extracurricular activity.
Start with that.
Not with spending
Start
time.
with that. Let him do it for a week, my lord. After that, we can reassemble.
Very well, my lord. I will do it every weekday.
No, what we will do is, let
Yes.
him do this week. This week means today we are on Tuesday, we are on Wednesday today.
I'm sorry, my lord, because he's not in town. Just
Let him do this, do it for the next 1 week.
yes,
On Wednesday we'll see. On
Next
Wednesday
Wednesday.
we will see, yes.
but I may only make. I think he's out of town. I'll just find out when he's coming back. Let, my lord,
It is very unfortunate that the manner in which the things are going on.
absolutely, my
Either
lord,
for
both
the husband or the wife.
on both sides. My lord. The children are ultimate sufferers are the children.
Yes, absolutely.
It should not be. And what is this, the kind of, no, this attitude of the husband?
I'm not aware. I will verify.
When the wife and children are staying in a house, getting them evicted from the house, what kind of a
No, no.
sadistic pleasure it is?
My lord, I must admit, my lord, that I'm not aware of those facts. I will also seek instructions on these aspects and make my submission on it.
So what she is also not understanding is, this will all the more precipitate the issue. It won't come down. All the more it will be complicated. That she also has to
But
understand.
now I'm paying 1,35,000 rupees per
What
month
you're
rent.
paying today is not the issue. What did
That's
you
for
do
rent.
the court
What are
order?
you paying for maintenance? Nothing. She's not a working woman.
Lord, what instructions are, he has work till 6:30 every day. 7 to 8, my lord, he may be allowed to spend time with the children. Weekends, my lord, anytime she says he will visit the children. Anytime convenient to the respondent.
Then what is his job? What is his income?
No, his income is 3.9 lakhs per month, out of which 2.4 lakhs is being spent on the respondent
But
children.
there's a
on
lot to be
monthly
said in
basis.
this. He's the director, my lord, in what's that company?
EY.
Ernst and Young.
Ernst and Young. Ernst and Young. Lord, the income is not less than 6-7 lakhs. He himself shows that he needs 1,75,000 per month.
I will place it on
He has
record.
not paid 1 rupee to the 3 people.
Lord, I will place everything on record. Well, there's no question of hiding.
No, that again is
If he-
pending there.
No, there's no question of hiding.
No,
Yes.
no. Even before they're separated, he was taking care of the school fees.
Absolutely, rent,
Everything
school.
he was taking. He
Yes.
was taking care.
Even today, it
No,
continues.
no, it is also an admitted fact that she is not earning, she's
I'm
not a
not
working.
aware. Masters in psychology from Columbia University, US.
Forget about her. What about the kids? Apart from going to the school, they're supposed to sustain.
Very, Lord, I am not shying away from
Please
responsibility.
ask get instructions from your client.
Very well,
Monthly, how much he is ready to pay as.
very well,
maintenance.
very well.
They'll get that, basing on that, we'll pass on.
Very well.
Just give me 1 minute. 6 to 7 is all right. You said 6 to
4
7 or
crores.
7 to 8 crores?
No, Lord, my instructions are 4 crores, my lord, is in our account, which money.
Lord, we have
Kindly
too much to say.
sir, kindly allow me to make my.
Please don't prejudice. If you're saying you don't know about these facts, then don't say.
Senior advocate, my lord, with great respect, must also conduct, my lord, proceedings befitting the designation. I'm sorry. Lord, instructions are 4 crores has been withdrawn from a joint account of the parties. My lord, work abroad for many number of years. 4 crores is withdrawn. The 4 crores is with her. Notwithstanding, my lord, children, I will pay maintenance. I will pay maintenance. Your lordship, I record my submission. On next Wednesday, my lord, once he is in town, I'll be able to interact with him and mention what your lordship, I record my submission. The father is willing to pay maintenance for the children. Apart from educational expenses, apart from rent being paid for the house. Lord, on week.
Considering a submission on behalf of both the sides, this court is passing the following order. 1, The father can meet the children at the clubhouse between 7 and 7:30 in the evening every day. From Monday to Friday.
From today until today's Wednesday.
From today's,
We said he's not in town.
He's coming back tomorrow. He's coming tomorrow.
tomorrow. Tomorrow is what?
Thursday,
Thursday. He can meet on Thursday.
Friday.
That is Thursday,
First.
that's 1st of August, Friday, 2nd of August. On Saturday and Sunday, he can meet the children between
No, your lordship may fix. Sometime 2
4
hours,
to 6.
4 to 6.
4 to 6,
They go
4
down
to-
place.
4 to 6 in the clubhouse. While the father is exercising the visitation rights, at that point of time, the mother shall not be present there.
Right.
It should be there. Both the parties shall, both the mother and father shall not create any kind of disturbance and shall see that the visitation goes on smoothly. Next, the father shall, what about the maintenance?
On Wednesday, I'll submit. Once he comes, I'll interact with him. Maintenance will be up. I
It
make
is
the
sub-
submission.
it is submitted that the maintenance will be paid and about the quantum of maintenance
The next day.
on not instruction, on quantum of maintenance, will submit before the court on Wednesday. Post this matter on Wednesday.
Lord, may I also have